The model represents an equation, and we have the drawings for that equation. What value of x makes the equation true? Okay, so what we're going to end up doing here, guys, is since I have the picture, I have to switch over that picture and change it into an equation. So let's just write that out. So what we want to do is we want to change the picture into an equation. Okay, so looking at what we have here, looking at the gray triangles, each gray triangle is a negative x. So I have negative 1x, negative 2x, negative 3x. So that's going to be the first thing I write down, negative 3x. We go to the next part. Each of these circles is a positive 1. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So plus 10. Plus, because they're positives. Then I have my equal signs. Equal. I go to my white triangles. So I have each triangle is an x. So I have 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x. Positive 5x. Positive because they're positive x's. I go to the gray circles. Each gray circle is a negative 1. So I have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, negative 6, negative 7, negative 8. So negative 8. So now that I have my equation, what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to go ahead and use the can feature, the numerical solve, so I can get this answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my calculator, we're going to do C for calculator. So there's my regular calculator. I'm going to go into menu, then it was A for algebra, N for numerical solve. So now that I'm here, I'm going to type in my equation. So it was negative 3x plus 10 equals 5x minus 8. Okay, let's double check that. Negative 3x plus 10 equals 5x minus 8. Okay, perfect. Now that I have my equation, I have to tell the calculator I want the answer to the x. So I click on comma to show that that's the end of my problem, and then I want the answer to the x. So we press enter. My answer is 2.25. So what we'll do is we'll come here back to our problem. The answer is 2.25. Let's go into it. So x is equal to 2.25. So all I have to do now is just bubble that in. Since I have a decimal, I'm just going to wrap my answer around that decimal. So 2.25, we bubble it in, 2.25. If I want to bubble in the positive sign, I can. I don't have to, but if I leave it blank, it's still going to be counted automatically positive. So my answer, x is equal to 2.25.